So now let's see how we can actually go ahead and generate out cover letters as needed inside of Kimi as well. Let's say, for example, I am applying as a content writer in Writer Pub Limited. Write a cover letter for me. I am a graduate in graphics designing, but have 2 years of experience in writing right here. So I can simply go ahead and then simply tell it to generate out cover letter, and then let's see what it does. So you can see that I have some errors, so I'm not going to worry about it so much. So it says I'm applying as a content writer in Writer Pub Limited. Write a cover letter for me. I'm a graduate in graphics designer but have a 2 years experience in writing. So now it analyzed the document and you can see that this is what it came up with. So it says, dear hiring manager, I'm writing to express my strong interest in content writer position at Writer Pub Limited as advertised on Source. With background in graphic design and 2 years of experience in writing, I'm confident that my unique blend of creative and analytical skill makes me a strong candidate for the role. And then you simply have the cover letter, as you can see right here, just like this. And that is how you can go ahead and utilize Kimi to generate out cover letters as needed. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe